Good morning, students. Welcome to our activity class. Today we are going to discuss our activity 5 and the topic is understand the concepts of absolute maximum and minimum values of a function in a given closed interval through its graph. So the objective is also same, to understand the concepts of absolute maximum and minimum values of a function in a given closed interval through its graph. Here material required are drawing board, white chart paper, adhesive, geometry box, pencil eraser, sketch pens, rulers and calculator. But for doing the practical in your project copy, we only need a millimeter graph paper, pencil, scale, calculator. When it will be possible to perform this practically, then we need all the materials and also follow the same method. Now, method of construction: fixed a white chart paper of convenient size on a drawing board using adhesive. Here we use the millimeter graph paper. Draw two perpendicular lines on the squared paper as the two rectangular axes. Graduate the two axes as shown in the figure. Number 4. Here we have taken the function fx as 4x square minus 9 into x square minus 1 in the closed interval minus to 2. Number 5. Taking different values of x in closed minus to 2 and find the corresponding values of fx and plot this ordered pair x fx. Last point, obtain the graph of the function by joining the plotted points by freehand curve as shown in the figure. In the demonstration part, the first point we have to make the table of the ordered pairs. Here we have taken the values of x as 0, plus minus 0.5, plus minus 1, 1.25, 1.27, plus minus 1.5, plus minus 2 and calculate the corresponding values of fx. Now plotting this point on the graph paper or chart paper and joining the points by a freehand graph, we have obtained the curve. Now for the observation part, first point is the absolute maximum of the value fx is dash at x equal to dash. Now look at the graph. The absolute maximum, that is, look here in this point, and this is obtained at x equals to 2, and also this point 21, and this is obtained at x equals to minus 2. So here we can write the observation part. The absolute maximum of the value fx is 21 at x equals to plus minus 2, and the absolute minimum value of fx is where? Now come to the graph again. The absolute minimum value is denoted here, this point here, and the corresponding point is 1.27. So here we can write from the table the absolute minimum value of the function fx. Absolute minimum value of the function fx is 1.56 at, look here, 1 minus 1.56 in 1.27. So you have to write here minus 1.56 at 1.27. Clear? Lastly, the application part. The activity is useful in explaining the concept of absolute maximum or minimum value of a function graphically. So students, do this practical. Next day we discuss our another activity. So thank you students for this class.